Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mezmereyez by Tonoi. It's your girl, the one and only, yours truly, Markeisha Tonoi. How are you guys? So, oh my gosh, it's been a minute since I've been on here, not gonna lie, but whatever. So I'm just going to jump right in really quickly because I am back with my favorite video, which is a holiday guide. Okay, so the first item I want to speak about is the Mario Bedescui skincare, and these are the rose waters. Can you guys see it? Okay, so it came in 3 sizes. It was $24. So I got it because I am going to keep this one for myself and then take the bigger ones to work and use them for my clients. The next thing I was super excited to get was this Maybelline, what is this called? Superstay. This foundation, I have it on right now. Okay, I know I have so much hair in my face. Let me know if you guys like the hair, by the way. Comment below, let me know. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. So, I love this foundation. I have it on right now. I just did like a really tiny amount just because I really didn't feel like putting makeup on today. So, so far though, I love it. It feels great on my skin. It doesn't feel too heavy, too cakey, but it is full coverage because my skin under here is not doing well and you can't tell. So far it's a yes for me. Okay, so I am late, but who cares? So I got, what is this? I got the Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it took me so long to get this, but this stuff is seriously amazing. By the way, I messed it up already. Look at that. I was so mad. Okay, so let me just dip this in and then just show you. Like it glides on like butter. I swear I can't talk. It glides, not guides. Well, I guess it does that too. Well, whatever. It goes like butter. This seriously is gorgeous. I did my liner, like I said, my hair is swallowing my face so you can't see it. But I did my liner today and it took me like maybe a minute or two to do it. It like seriously was so quick. Next up, so I guess I'm like really into eyeliners. I ordered a bunch of liners. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to do like a video where I show my different liners, like how they compare against each other. So the next liner I got was the Stila Smudge Pot. I've been hearing a lot about this. Let's just dip. Let's see. Let's see what this baby's like. Let's see. Ooh, wait up. Uh-oh. I think we're gonna have like battle of the liners. So the next liner I got was one I was really like dying to get for about at least like, not even gonna lie, at least like 6 or 7 months. No, it's been like a year because I worked at Sephora. It's been like 2 years since I wanted this liner, but it's just been like whatever type of want. So I guess I really didn't want it. So it is from Tarte, and these are, I got it from Ulta. It says it's $48 retail value and it said it was $35, but your girl got it for $17. So I was like, well, you know what, why not? If it sucks, it's only $17. So yeah, so I'm gonna try that out really quickly too, just since my arm has a bunch of liners on them. Why not add to it? Let's see. Oh, that's pretty dark. By the way, these are like the worst lines ever. So I will do a video on all the liners if you guys want to see them. Just leave it in the comment section below if you want to see them. If you want to see me do a swatch on all these other liners, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't care, then don't do anything. I forgot to mention that I got the Duraline, which is almost like a reactivator for your gel liner. This is for Inglot. So basically you just put like a little driplet in your liner in case it ever dries out. So I'm curious to see if it works in other liners too. So I'll try that as well, and I guess let you guys know. Okay, so for my makeup kit, I'm not going to use this. I'm just taking it to work. So I got the Anastasia, the lip palette. Look at the colors. I cannot wait to make all these really pretty colors. I got it from Sephora at the time. I believe this is $48, but when I got it from Sephora, it was on sale for $24. So I was like, why not? So I just want to show you guys the colors. Ooh, they're so pretty. And they came with a little mixing palette and then a brush as well. And this brush is cool. Well, it's not really, well, I guess it's both. So on one side, it's like a brush, like a lip brush. And then on the other side, it's a little scooper, so you can scoop in there and put it, I guess, like on your hand or on the palette. So then I got these beautiful babies right here. So these are lipsticks from Nars, and they are absolutely stunning and to die for. So I have a color called Just What I Need It, and it's seriously just what I need it. It is the perfect nude ever. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, like, can you see that? Sorry, my arms are so hairy, but whatever. So look how pretty that nude is. So that, and then I only got two just because I didn't know what to expect, even though Nars is like amazing. I just got two. And then the other color is what I'm wearing, and this is called Done It Again. And Nars done it again. I'm so lame. Okay, so here's this color. Isn't that pretty? So my next two items are from Maybelline. I was in, I think, like CVS or something, waiting on prescription, and so horrible to admit this, but I started playing with samples. And look at these colors. These colors are so pretty. So look at this gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Oh my gosh. Yeah, hello? Okay, yeah, super pretty. And then I think it's like a standard for me. If I get a bold color, I have to get a nude to like tone it down. So look at that. So pretty. This for sure I know I'm gonna need a liner with, just because it is kind of pale, but whatever. So last but not least, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I finally bit the bullet and I got the Huda Beauty palette. Ugh, okay, look at this. So pretty. Pretty. Okay, so, like, I don't even want to touch it. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Video. If you guys want me to do swatches on everything, just go ahead and let me know. And if so, I will do them, or give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see swatches. So I just want to show you, I'll show you like a couple of the colors. Let's see. Okay, so this color right here, Cosmo, I don't even think you guys can tell, but oh my, oh wow, okay, let's see. Ooh, wow, oh dang, okay, okay, okay. Let's do Blood Moon. Dang. Okay, like I said, I will do more colors if you guys want me to. Just leave it in the section below. Leave it in the comment section and I will do that. I lied. This was actually last, but it's not like save the best for last. It's just last because I forgot. I got my Morphe, I was going to say prescription. It's clearly subscription. And I just got a couple of brushes. So this is like a blush brush. I love this color. This is an eyeshadow brush. I would use this to blend out like right in there. These brushes, not gonna lie, they freak me out just because they are dense, but I'm like, I'm not putting anything on. Like, I know it's for like right in here, but I don't know, it's just not for me. And then one more blending brush, or I guess crease brush. So yeah. So this was my holiday video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want any details on anything that I listed in the video, I would put it in the description box. And if you have any questions, just write me. You guys have all my contact information on there. You can write me, you can @ me, and I will get back to you. If you guys haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.